Have you ever wondered how the evolution of space technology has changed the way we explore the universe? As we dive into the depths of the cosmos, let's take a moment to reflect on the dawn of the space age, a time shrouded in mystery and filled with unprecedented discoveries. In the late 1950s, humanity made its first foray into the great beyond. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, into Earth's orbit. A polished metal sphere, just over 2 feet in diameter, Sputnik beeped its way into history, heralding a new era for mankind. The world watched in awe as our planet got its first taste of the cosmos, a moment that reverberated across nations, sparking a universal curiosity and a hunger for the stars. But the space age was not just about observation, it was about competition. The launch of Sputnik ignited a spark that would soon turn into a roaring flame, marking the beginning of the space race. This was a time of intense rivalry and extraordinary innovation, as two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, locked horns in a bid to conquer the cosmos. Just a few short months after Sputnik, the United States launched its own satellite, Explorer 1. This marked America's entry into the space race, a contest that would push the boundaries of human knowledge and technology. Explorer 1 was more than a satellite. It was a symbol of hope, a testament to the human spirit, and a beacon of progress. In the midst of this rivalry, a new era was born. An era where mankind dared to dream beyond the confines of our blue planet, to reach for the stars, to explore the unknown. The space age was not just about competition, it was about discovery, about pushing the limits of what we thought possible. These events marked the birth of space exploration, a remarkable era that would forever change our view of the universe. As we continue to journey through the cosmos, let's remember the pioneers who dared to dream, to explore, and to venture into the unknown. Their courage and curiosity paved the way for the wonders of space exploration we witness today. But how did we get from launching satellites to walking on the moon in just a decade? The journey from the first satellite to the first human footprint on the moon was one of rapid technological advancement. It was an era when the impossible became possible, thanks to the relentless pursuit of knowledge and innovation. The heart of this development was the rocket technology. The 1960s saw the evolution of rockets from mere carriers of satellites to powerful machines that could transport humans beyond Earth's atmosphere. The Saturn V, the rocket that took the Apollo astronauts to the moon, was a marvel of engineering. Standing taller than the Statue of Liberty, it was capable of producing 7.5 million pounds of thrust, enough to propel the astronauts and their equipment out of Earth's gravitational pull. But getting to the moon was only half the battle. The astronauts needed to survive in the harsh lunar environment. This led to the development of the iconic Apollo spacesuits. These were not just outfits, but mini spacecrafts, providing life-supporting conditions for the astronauts. The suits were designed to protect the astronauts from the extreme temperatures of space, provide oxygen for breathing, and shield them from solar radiation. The lunar module, or the Eagle, as it was affectionately called, was another critical piece of technology. It was specifically designed to land on the moon's surface and then launch the astronauts back into lunar orbit. The Eagle was a two-part vehicle, comprising of a descent stage for landing and an ascent stage to return the astronauts to the command module orbiting the moon. Each of these technologies, from the rockets to the spacesuits to the lunar module, had to work flawlessly. They were the result of thousands of scientists, engineers, and astronauts working together, pushing the boundaries of what was known and what was possible. The moon landing was a monumental achievement, but it was just the beginning. The technologies developed during this era laid the foundation for all future space exploration, opening up a universe of possibilities. From moon landings to reusable vehicles, how do we make such a giant leap? Let's delve into the space shuttle era, a time that astounded us all by introducing the concept of reusable spacecraft and making space seem more within our reach than ever before. The Space Shuttle program, a remarkable initiative by NASA, was the cornerstone of this era. It was a significant departure from the disposable rockets of the past. Instead, it focused on creating a reusable spacecraft capable of carrying large payloads to orbit and landing back on Earth like a conventional aircraft. This was a game changer, transforming the way we think about space travel and making it considerably more accessible. The space shuttle wasn't just a technological marvel in its own right, it also played a pivotal role in launching some of the most iconic elements of our modern space infrastructure. Let's take a moment to appreciate the Hubble Space Telescope. Launched by the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990, Hubble has provided us with breathtaking images of the cosmos and has fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe. Also, let us not forget the International Space Station, the largest human-made structure in space. It was assembled in orbit with the help of the Space Shuttle. The International Space Station has served as a home away from home for astronauts from around the globe, allowing them to live and work in space for extended periods. It's a testament to international cooperation and the shared human desire to explore the unknown. The Space Shuttle era was an era of bold ambition and profound technological advancement. It showed us that with ingenuity and determination, we could reach for the stars and not just dream about them. The Space Shuttle era was an exciting time of discovery and innovation, but it also set the stage for a new generation of space exploration. It left us with a legacy of knowledge and a platform from which we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. So, let's keep looking up because the sky is no longer the limit. So, what's next in the evolution of space technology? As we traverse the timeline of cosmic exploration, we enter the era of the new space age. A time where the boundaries of space are no longer limited to governmental organizations, but are being pushed by private companies with audacious goals and innovative technologies. One of the most prominent names that come to mind is SpaceX, founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk. SpaceX has revolutionized space exploration with the development of reusable rockets. This breakthrough technology has drastically reduced the cost of reaching space, making it more accessible than ever before. The Falcon and Starship rockets, for instance, launch into space, deliver their payload, and then return to Earth, landing vertically on their launch pads. This is a far cry from the one-time use rockets of the past, which would fall into the ocean after delivering their payloads. SpaceX isn't alone in this new frontier. Blue Origin, founded by Amazon's Jeff Bezos, is another major player. While they too are developing reusable rockets, their focus is on creating a future where millions of people can live and work in space. They envision colonies on the moon and a network of manufacturing stations in space, harnessing the resources of the cosmos to benefit Earth. The objectives of these private companies are not limited to our immediate celestial neighborhood. Manned missions to Mars are now more than just the stuff of science fiction. SpaceX, in particular, has plans to send humans to Mars within this decade, a feat that would be a monumental step in our journey as a spacefaring civilization. Yet, it's not just about the hardware. The new space age is also about the democratization of space. It's about making space travel and exploration accessible to more than just a select few astronauts, but to everyday people like you and me. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, the possibilities are as endless as the universe itself. What does the future hold for space technology? A question as vast and mysterious as the cosmos itself. Yet, it's a question that sparks the imagination, ignites the spirit of exploration, and propels us towards a future that, just a few decades ago, seemed confined to the realm of science fiction. Firstly, let's consider space tourism. It's no longer a far-fetched dream, but a tangible reality on the horizon. Companies are actively developing spacecraft designed to ferry everyday people into the awe-inspiring expanse of space. Picture this, a weekend getaway not to a tropical island but to a space station orbiting Earth. The view? A breathtaking panorama of our blue marble suspended in the cosmic void. Then, there's asteroid mining. It sounds like a plot from a blockbuster movie, doesn't it? Yet, this could be the next giant leap for mankind. Asteroids are rich in precious metals and resources that could fuel our advancing technology. The challenge? Developing the technology and infrastructure to tap into these celestial gold mines. The potential benefits? Limitless. It could usher in a new era of resource abundance, reducing pressure on our own planet's finite reserves. And finally, the holy grail of space exploration: interstellar travel. The idea of venturing to distant stars and galaxies, exploring new worlds, and perhaps even meeting extraterrestrial life remains the ultimate goal. The challenges are colossal, of course. The vast distances, the hostile conditions, the sheer amount of time it would take. But the potential rewards, they're simply beyond comprehension. As we continue to push the boundaries of space technology, who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the vast expanse of the cosmos? The future of space technology is a thrilling mystery, a boundless frontier just waiting to be explored. And as we stand on the precipice of this new age, we can only wonder, what marvels, what wonders, what unimaginable possibilities await us among the stars?